shocking fact with you. In this entire year of your formal education that you have gone through, so maybe through a post-graduation or an undergraduate or maybe a master's or maybe into your PhDs, the one single factor which has never been taught to us, a very key important life skill I will say, which has never been taught in our formal education system is communication skills. We have never been taught how to communicate. We have always been taught how to speak correctly, how to speak that language correctly without any flaws, how to talk to people in terms of using a particular language. But are we teaching our kids, or have we, as an adult who has already gone through the education system, being ever taught what is communication skills? Becomes a key reason for us to fear public speaking. Yes, my friend, fear of public speaking. Out of 100 people, 70 people will agree to the fact that they have a fear of public speaking in some form or the other. They might be speaking very well. They might be good orators. They might be good communicators. They might be speaking really well the language they speak, the foreign language that they speak or the mother tongue that they speak. But when it comes to public speaking or addressing the public or talking to people in public, it becomes a challenge. And no, you are not alone. I was also there once upon a time. So as a kid, I have grown up to be a shy child who never spoke in front of public, who never spoke in any class elocution, who never took part in any kind of a debate, who never took part in any kind of a school fest, who never hosted anything in the school. Only because I feared public speaking. I was good when I was with my peers, when I was on a one-on-one conversation with my friends or family or teachers. But then when it came to public speaking, I never took that onus. I never walked that path till the time I was forced to walk that path. So when I entered my MBA college, I was forced to walk the path of public speaking because I had to make presentations. I had to give speeches. I had to be in front of a panel for an interview. I had to get the job. So 2 years of my life grilled me enough to change the entire 18 years of my life. I learned communication when I actually did my MBA, and then post that, my work experience as 7 years into human resource taught me actual communication. The 7 years of my work life, I had to do a lot of public speaking. Be it orientation sessions with my new joinees, be it taking interviews, be it being on the panelist for going on doing campus placements, I had to do it all, and I did it all. And I overcome that fear of public speaking by following certain steps. Why do you think people fear public speaking so much? People fear public speaking so much only because of these two factors. First, they think they are not good enough. They think that they are not good enough to stand on that podium to talk to people. They think that they are not good enough, not good looking enough. They don't have that confidence enough. They don't know much about the content. They don't think they are naturally born as a speaker. They think their voice, their voice might not be good. They might not be looking good. Their image is so that people will not take them as a public speaker. That is the first important thing. They think they are not good enough. And the second point which makes you fear public speaking is the fear of judgment. You think that people will judge you when you are doing public speaking. Yes, they would. Mind it, people don't make impressions about you, they start judging. And these impressions are formed just within the first 3 seconds when they see you. So if you want to have a non-judgmental area, then might be you can go and talk to the walls, because that is the only space where you will not have judgment. Everywhere else, wherever humans are involved, you will have judgment and you will have to face it. So these are the two major reasons that people feel that they fear public speaking. Speaking in front of public, oh my God, what will people think about me? The biggest question, what will people think about me? And then everything falls in place. My dear friend, to break that fear, I would like to say that public speaking is not a talent, it's a skill which can easily be learnt by you in few simple steps. Then you can become an effective public speaker. And you don't have to fear any judgment, you don't have to fear this word public speaking ever. So let me give you
Feels like just a day